Alright, I'm sorry for doing a voiceover. Normally I hate voiceovers, but considering that this video will already be way freaking too long, I figured it was probably my best option. This video is clearly about my gaming PC build, and I'm sorry that I'm ruining it with my stupid voice and the terrible camera quality, but it has to be done. Um, Anyway, just a few notes. This build has taken me a lot longer than I expected. Budgetary reasons caused me to not be able to finish this all at once, but instead buy parts and finish it in stages over the course of moving into 3 different living spaces, as well as getting married. So yay for marriage, boo for not being able to finish this computer on time. Um, so while all that was happening, I was still able to get this finished in each of those 3 different living spaces, but on the downside, I'm just now getting around to being able to edit this video. I just wanted to point out a couple of things. The overall specs of the computer, in particular, a Intel i7-4790K for the processor. That's on a MSI Gaming 7 motherboard. The graphics card is a GTX 970, the Gigabyte G1 series. I also have a 750 watt Corsair power supply, the Cooler Master Evo 212 CPU cooler, 2 Corsair 128 gigabyte solid states, and 16 gigabytes of G.Skill Ripjaw X memory. All this goes in the massive Corsair 780T case, which I am in love with. I love the look of it. I love the space and all of the extra area that you get with it, and the customization options. One thing that I'm finding out just now, that I'm going to be trying to upgrade my cooling system to a custom loop eventually here, is that it doesn't really offer a whole lot of options in that way, but I'm going to mod it as much as possible to make it work. Again, that the custom loop is probably going to take a while because of budgetary reasons, but I'll get it done eventually, and I'll probably be able to upload a better video of that, because just watching this video while I'm editing it and voicing this over is kind of painful. It's just not very good quality. I'm super sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, I've been talking for a lot longer than I expected to, so I'm going to stop doing that and let you guys watch the video. I got everything done on the build, you know, hardware-wise. I bought this for my motherboard. Unfortunately, what wasn't in here was the proper I/O plate. In all fairness, it is a manufacturer refurbished. It's not a huge issue because I already contacted them and they said they were going to send me the appropriate I/O plate. Yeah. My new case is the Corsair 780T. My old case literally would fit within this case. So I've got the build finished, and I'm working with the operating system and everything. I used Windows 7. So many updates. It's kind of difficult, considering the fact that my roommates decided to ditch me, and they moved out pretty much overnight and shut off the cable, the electricity for a brief minute, and for a while there I didn't have gas. That happened. At the moment, I've got everything back on. I've got the electricity and, you know, all that extra stuff turned back on, except the cable company, they're sending me new equipment because when I transferred everything into my name, I had to have new equipment. Moving on. So right now I'm running without an I/O plate, and that's not cool. That can't be good. That can't be a good thing. I don't like running without an I/O plate. Windows is genuine! I should probably script this. So yeah, currently my build is just kind of jerry-rigged up. But I'm a professional. And that's probably really creepy. Some people just aren't cut out for camera. I am one of those people.